Hello, good morning. Ay, may naisip ako kanina na quotation na life is a journey, not only a destination. Yan. Ano ito? Parang logo ng SM City. Sana hindi tayo ma-copyright. SM City, Caloocan. Maganda ang design, di ba? Marami sila rito, nandito yung PC Express. Yan, zero interest via home credit. Yan, yung yan, makukuha nyo yan, walang interest dito na sa SM City, Caloocan. Ito naman ay Smack It Now in Caloocan. Don't have a smack yet? Get one. Earn and pay with points. Para ito siguro, para ano ito? Ano ng BDO. Ito naman ay chicken nugget. Oh, may design ang logo ng Jollibee. World of Fun. Pwede nyo dalhin dito yung inyong mga anak. Experience fun with these game machines at the 3rd level. Yan, sa SM City. Lahat ito matatagpuan. Nandyan yung kanilang matatagpuan sa SM. At ang kanilang website ay worldoffun.com.ph. Fun series. Yan, mga handheld fan series. Pag nainitan ka, pwede mo dalhin. Electric fan, hinahawakan lang. Mga di-battery ito. Yan. Ito naman ay Ideal Vision Center. Complete eyewear package for as low as $795. Yan si Catherine Bernardo. Siya ang kanilang model. Ideal Vision Center. Hindi ako nagkakamali, nasa ground floor ito. Tabi ng Watson. Ito naman ay Contis. Gumagawa sila ng mga cake. Now open at ground level, SM City, Caloocan. Contis. Ace Hardware. Yan, Ace Hardware. Nasa ground floor sila, open sila ng 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Ito ay Pau Park, 3rd level wellness space. Your new fun Theory Hangout. Yan. Okay. Dito naman ay contest ulit. Dito tayo sa Dunkin Donuts, second level, with brewed coffee. SM City, Caloocan. Ito naman ay Women's Month. Nagdaan ng Women's Month, March 5, March 8. Para sa mga kababaihan. Women's Month. Okay. By the way, nasa harap ito ng ano. Ito naman, the Medical City Clinic. Oh, sa mga malayo, nalalayuan sa inyong clinic, pwede po kayo magpakonsulta sa Medical City Clinic. Nandito rin ito sa SM City, Caloocan. Ayan. May laboratory sila, medical consultation, heart station, annual physical exam, pre-employment medical exam. Nasa third level sila. Wellness. Ito naman ay real clinic. Tagpuan dito sa SM City, Caloocan. Book your appointment at www.idara.ph. Idara Aesthetics. The Real Care, dermatology, facials, lasers, nutrients, slimming, anti-aging. Two more minutes. Ito naman para sa mahilig sa pizza. Yellow Cub. Enjoy our new Half Moon Pizzas. Yan, nasa third level sila. Starts at 159. Hindi ako nagkakamali, pwede kayo umorder online. Yellow Cub Pizza. Great Image. Nasa third level din sila. Yan ang kanilang cellphone number. Yan ang kanilang baby. Ayan. Great Image. Anuhan ito ng picture. Developan. Super deal. How to avail, scan to download. Check out this and shop. Visit store and swipe coupon to redeem. May scanner sila. Dito sila sa Caloocan City. Ayan. Okay. Ito rin ay Bone Chun. Bone Chun. Yan. Yung chicken nila may asukal. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.